Daily Dow Jones, 30-minute chart. Now, let's talk about what the Dow was doing this morning. At one point, when we hit this low right here on the Dow, we were down 742 points, and they were selling hard, my friends. And then we had this 30-minute gap up, and then we had that consolidation, my fellow traders, okay? And then you could see that this consolidation was really strong. And it starts with a 30-minute doji with the confirmed upside move to a 50-minute period moving average. That's a period moving average. And then we're coming up to a 100-minute period moving average. And the Dow regained, but the Dow ended down still 129. But we're talking about how the Dow, 30 stocks, there's 30 stocks in there that moved this index. And we can clearly see the recovery and how to gauge that recovery and how to teach you exactly the same way. So when we're looking at a market and we're looking at what we want to do with the market, we're looking at where that power was intraday so that when tomorrow comes around, we know where the support will be. It'll be down here. And when we go down there and we start to have positive 30-minute bars, then we know that we could buy the ETF on the Dow Jones. Now, the Dow did underperform, okay? And there's no doubt about it today. But it's the recovery from that movement, that identifier, that consolidation, how to identify support. That was support on a 30-minute consolidation. That was a 30-minute doji above the previous 30-minute. And same here. Bam. Okay? And there's a 30-minute buy signal to go with it in the tail part of it. Over here at the bottom, we had a 30-minute sell signal at its peak, but then that started to turn. And we knew at that point we could gauge it and see how strong it would be. Still was down 129, but at one point down 742, and that was a technical bounce.